Stocks our strategists feel are poised to deliver positive returns are featured now in their top stock picks of the week.
Welcome to another edition of Zacks Top Stock Picks. I am Brian Boland, and I am the aggressive growth stock strategist here at Zacks, and I have a top stock pick for the week. And the reason I chose this company, it's reporting earnings on Thursday, so let's just jump right to it. What is it? It's Tractor Supply. Tractor Supply, right there. It's TSCO is the ticker. It's a Zacks rank number 2. That means it's a buy. It's got an A for growth. That's just about all the stocks that I like, yeah. And a B for value. Take a quick look at the chart. Right here, you can see this little green arrow on the chart, and that means that there was an earnings beat at the beginning of February. Stock reacted awfully well, came in April, and has started to come back in, and we can see at $253. It's a big price tag for this stock. It is a $27 billion company and also pays a good 1.7% yield or $4 in the dividend. Not that you're too concerned about that for the top stock pick of the week, but I thought I'd let you know. And it's also reporting before the market opens on the 25th of April, and today is the 22nd of April. All right, let's go to our numbers, and we'll just do a quick read through on everything. 2 misses and then 2 beats, but the good thing is the beats percentage-wise are getting bigger, 2.6%, 2.7%. We like to see that. Earnings estimates, are they moving up? And we see that this is the reason for the positive ESP for this stock. We have $1.60 to $1.70. Next quarter holdings still at $3.94 for the full year, $10.16 up to $10.20. And for next year, $11.21 to $11.22. Let's take a look at our growth profile just to make sure that I like the stock for its growth. We see a meager 3% top line growth, but this is retail. There's not that much going on. There's pricing concerns, there's inflation and all that, and the consumer looking tapped out. But next year, we're going to accelerate. We got great acceleration to 6.26%. That's good to see. All right, valuation. You're paying 24.8 times forward earnings for this stock, which is a healthy amount considering the most recent quarter we saw top line contraction on a year-over-year basis. Price to book is pretty high at 12.7. Price to sales is still a very reasonable 1.87, and we see operating margins moving up ever so slightly from 5.8% to 7.58% to 7.61%. All right, let's take a look at the chart, and we'll talk about this one real quick. Here's the pandemic. We're going to die, but no, we're going to go to Tractor Supply, maybe for ivermectin, maybe not. Who knows? Didn't really participate in the tech wreck of 2022 because it isn't a tech stock. And then after this beat, things just kept on getting better. We've pulled back, and we're starting to move back higher again. So we're at the 253 level. Again, the company is reporting this Thursday before the market opens. It's Tractor Supply, TSCO, and it is my top stock pick for the week. All right, let me hand it over to my good friend and colleague, Brian Hayes, who's got a stock that he thinks is going to fly a lot higher.
Is here with Zacks Investment Research, bringing you our other top stock pick. I have another exciting opportunity for you, so let's jump right in. My top stock pick this week is an airliner that is taking full advantage of strong travel demand. The company is a Zacks rank number 1 strong buy. They're an ultra-low fare carrier that offers passenger airline service in Ireland, the United Kingdom, continental Europe, Morocco, and Israel. They also serve short-haul point-to-point routes. The company I'm referring to is Ryanair, ticker symbol RYAAY. Ryanair continues to benefit from improved traffic growth. Traffic grew 10% during the first 9 months of fiscal 2024, and we'll see how the company fared in the final 3 months when we get fiscal fourth quarter results in late May. Upbeat passenger volumes, as well as fleet upgrade efforts, represent major tailwinds for this airliner. Let's take a bit of a more in-depth look at some fundamentals for Ryanair. Digging a bit deeper, Ryanair is part of the Zacks transportation airline industry, which is currently ranked in the top 38% out of approximately 250 industry groups. Because it is ranked in the top half of all Zacks ranked industries, we expect this group to outperform the market over the next 3 to 6 months. And as we can see, this industry has outperformed the market year to date with a more than 10% gain. Quantitative research studies suggest that approximately half of a stock's future price appreciation is due to its industry grouping. In fact, the top 50% of Zacks ranked industries outperforms the bottom 50% by a factor of more than 2 to 1. By targeting stocks contained within leading industry groups, we can dramatically improve our odds of success. We can also see that stocks in this group are relatively undervalued based on traditional valuation metrics. This serves as yet another confirmation signal that this group is a great place to be. And moving to our snapshot page here, we can see that Ryanair is a Zacks ranked number 1 strong buy. The company has beaten earnings estimates in 3 of the past 4 quarters, and the stock price is reflecting this bullish theme. This is exactly what we want to see, as it gives investors confidence that the bullish run can be sustained. The stock is displaying strong momentum, breaking out to new all-time highs earlier this month. Only stocks in very powerful uptrends are able to make this type of price move and experience such massive outperformance. Looking at the upcoming fiscal year, analysts covering Ryanair are in agreement in terms of earnings estimate revisions. Fiscal 2025 estimates have been increased by 4.69% in the past 60 days. The Zacks consensus estimate now stands at $11.83 a share, reflecting potential growth of 28.5% relative to the year-ago period. Revenues are anticipated to grow 9.3% to $15.96 billion. These are exactly the types of trends we want to look for when narrowing down our list of potential stocks. So Ryanair, ticker symbol RYAAY, is my top pick of the week. The company is showing strong growth metrics and boasts a durable backing from the airline industry. I see more upside ahead for this stock. That's it for this week. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. We bring you our top stock picks each and every week here at Zacks.com. From Brian and I and all of us here at Zacks, thank you for watching. Be sure to tune in next week for more of our top stock picks.